Here's baby Evan, sitting on the couch. Hi, darling. We're gonna get ready to go out. Here's Evan doing tummy time on the boppy pillow. There he is. Hi, Evan. He's talking. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Cracking a little smile. Did you have a good day today? I had a good day with you. Uh-huh. I love you, darling. Good job lifting your head up.